Alexa, show me my baby.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
There she is.
Oh man.
Bro, just break the bolt already, bro.
And don't you come back no more. What you say?
This is it. This is a vlog, I think.
Huh?
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 Huh? Car won't turn on. It's gray. Things are going well. So we'll see how this process goes. So we're gonna have to push my car in a little bit back to try and bring the Corolla over to jump it, because for some reason my car decided to die. Don't know why. Got this tool bag out here helping me work on my car. I got some kooky taillights coming in. I got a new body kit coming in, some overs coming in. My allergies are beating me up like Mike Tyson right now.
I'm feeling beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Got some of my wrap samples out. These all look exactly the same. Literally. This teal's super fire. This pink's pretty fire too. Probably going with this 3M white as the base.
Wow.
And then I gotta take these stupid fenders off to reach into there. I gotta still push this freaking thing, which I don't want to do because I went off-roading with the other day. I made some nice divots in the ground, so it's gonna be fun to push this thing out. Oh yeah. Getting it out. Getting it out.
Anti-seize next time, bro.
Oh my goodness. Oh man.
Bro, just break the bolt already, bro. It sounds like it's about to snap.
Yeah, it's like on the verge. I'm gonna start a freaking friction fire. Well, there goes my bad thumb. Can't twist with that hand. Let's try again.
Dude, that was not good.
How's it still going? Oh, oh, oh. Is it hot?
Warm.
Now we gotta get this one.
It's another one,
Zip
though?
tie, Hex, Phillips.
Dude, it's like stuff on the bit, too. Friction.
It ain't coming out. This one's definitely not gonna come out. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Throw that bad boy on.
Oh, I'm proud about something else, too.
I think it needs to be like lower, you know what I mean? I feel like it's like high. Unless maybe I'm just tripping. I'm hoping that the
Kind of does look sick from this angle.
yeah, I'm hoping that the over fenders that I'm buying don't interfere because they're 70 millimeters. So we're gonna get a little
I feel like
close.
there's 70 millimeters down here, though. Not
Yeah,
up here.
I mean there's a line that goes like right around here, so I'm hoping that it's not gonna interfere. Went inside to grab all these tools. Tony thinks he got the bolt off. You did. What'd you do? Just whacked it off?
Brute force.
Damn.
Yeah, I literally went under there with the big screw and just started hammering off. Dude, the thing flew off and hit the fence. Free tween fenders.
I think the ice cream man would trade us for a cone with sprinkles.
Where, yo, 240 fenders for sprinkles, bro.
You guys ready for this one big pull? Which is probably not gonna work out. One-handed D-wrap. I ain't mad at these.
Chill, chill. Slow.
Oh no!
That's a gas cap. That's a gas cap. Don't worry.
Alright, Tony, let's do a quick panel test on your Alpha.
On the Alpha, bro? I don't know, man. Pretty sturdy.
Good, good, not good.
Whole trunk
Put a
loads of
whole
rust.
test. Oh, that was a crunchy one.
This is kind of crunchy. Alright, so if y'all don't have one of these, you should definitely get one of these. It's like a portable jump pack. Alright, so the jumper thing just turned on, is green. So I get 4 jumps because the car never turns on in the first jump because this thing has been dead. But let's find out. Let's see right now. Damn, nothing.